Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Pinbo Arianto. My ID number is D100 222. Today I want to talking about contribute of civil engineering to sustainable development. What is civil engineering? Civil engineering is professional engineering discipline that deals with the design, construction, and maintenance of the physically and naturally built environment, including public works such as roads, bridges, canals, dams, airports, sewer system, pipelines, structural components of buildings, and railways. Civil engineering is traditionally broken into a number of sub-disciplines. It is considered the second oldest engineering discipline after military engineering, and it is defined to distinguish on military engineering from military engineering. Civil engineering can take place in the public sector from municipal public work department through to federal government agencies, and in the private sector from locally beside firms to global Fortune 500 companies. Then civil engineering contribute to sustainable development. Sustainable development is development that meets need and aspiration the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. The goal of sustainable development is to ensure the sustainability of benefits for future generations while maintaining economic efficiency, social justice, and environmental responsibility. The interrelation of the interests of the pillars of sustainable development is explained as follows. First, environment reduce emission of gases and other substances that affect the ozone layer, enable better use and management of energy, and protect biodiversity. And the other, then economy to improve enterprise and sector activity efficiency, promote good practice and trade relations, foster innovation, promote responsible supply. And the other, social maintains and improve working conditions, allow transfer of knowledge and skills of the stakeholders, allows adequate distribution of wealth, promotes answer in the environment. And the other, for civil engineering practitioners, besides on the understanding of the concepts and connotations of sustainable development, what we have to do in the workplace is to take the theory of sustainable development as a guide, seriously apply sustainable development thinking, build green project with passion, and make contribution to the sustainable development of our country and the world. We get the following conclusion. Starting the sustainable development issues of civil engineering materials, emphasizing green material and high performance from civil engineering, applying timely research and level development result into practical project, thereby reducing the use of raw materials and manufacturing. Use and waste treatment has an adverse impact on the global environment. This is beneficial for human survival and health. From a long-term perspective, this supports sustainable development for future generations. The study of sustainable development in the civil engineering design space can guide future design work. This can guide on initial future design work in a number of specific investment scope to better meet the requirement of various functions. Use more environmentally friendly material, make the project more sustainable for construction and ambient after construction. In the technical design stage, it can coordinate the relationship between buildings, structure and construction. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.